Hey, hope you're having a great day. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn an associate's degree in just 3 months. I know it sounds crazy, but you can go really quick if you choose the right programs and you follow the right process. My name's Ryan. I earned a bachelor's degree in just 9 months, and now I teach people how to earn college degrees faster. This video is about associate's degrees, so let's walk through and show you how to do this. Now, before I dive into associate's degrees, I do want to tell you, later on in the video, I'm going to show you how to skip an associate's degree if you need a full bachelor's degree. If you need more than just an associate's degree, I'm going to show you how to skip the associate's degree as well. But let's jump over to my computer and I'm going to show you some programs that are really fast. Now, the school I want to start with is the University of Massachusetts Global. This is the University of Massachusetts online branch called UMass Global. If we go into their academic programs, and we're just going to search all programs, what we're going to do here is on the left, we're going to filter ways to learn online or online self-paced. We want to search for self-paced degrees, and then we can filter for associates or bachelors. You can look deeper. Now, they only have one associate's degree to choose from, but this is a general business self-paced associate's degree. And you can do this degree really fast. But this is what is called a competency-based education program. And essentially what that means is if you learn the material that they're trying to teach you and prove that you've learned it, you get credit for the class. Well, turns out if you can learn your own pace without having to go through the school's traditional system, homework and textbooks and lesson plans and groups projects and essays, and if you can skip those things and just go learn using modern tools like AI and YouTube, you can learn much more quickly. Let's dive into another program. We're going to go to the University of Wisconsin, and they have what's called their UW Flexible option. If we go into their programs offered, they have another associate's degree, just one to choose from, but it's again competency-based and fully self-paced. If we go into this Associate of Arts and Science, it's just a general associate's degree in, yes, arts and science, which basically is just like a general education associate's degree. But if we scroll through here, you can learn a little bit more about it, admissions, things like that. And this is another associate's degree that can be earned at your own pace really quickly. Now, there is one huge downside to what I call hacking or going really fast through an associate's degree. My preference is to find these competency-based education programs. Well, the challenge is there are only a couple to choose from for associate's degrees. There are way more to choose from for bachelor's degrees. Generally, people think it is way faster to earn an associate's degree because it's half of a bachelor's degree, right? Well, generally, yes, but when you're doing these self-paced programs, that is not the case. So let's go through how to skip an associate's degree, and it's pretty simple. You just need to find one of these self-paced programs for bachelor's degrees and do all your gen ed within the bachelor's degree as well. The cool thing is there are way more bachelor's degrees to choose from, so you just have a lot more options. Let me show you a school called Western Governors University. This entire school is all competency-based programs. If we go into their online programs, you can filter business, bachelor's, and they have a whole bunch of degrees to choose from. Education degrees, bachelor's, a whole bunch to choose from. Technology degree, bachelor's, like a whole bunch of self-paced tech degrees. That's really cool. They have health and nursing. They have master's degrees. So there's just more to choose from. Let's jump into this school. It's called the University of Maine at Presque Isle. Now, this school has what's called these Your Pace programs. And if we go into their academic programs, as you can see, they have a bunch of different degrees to choose from. All bachelor's degrees, they have one master's, but tons of bachelor's degrees, right? Let's go into the next school. This is called Purdue University Global, and they have what are called these Excel Track programs. These Excel Track programs are fully self-paced. If we scroll down, you can see they have analytics, business admin, cloud computing and solutions, criminal justice, cybersecurity, healthcare admin, IT, and nursing. So the deal here is you find these programs that are fully self-paced. There are a few associate's degrees you can earn in as little as 3 months, and tons of bachelor's degrees that you can earn just as quickly. I know that sounds crazy, but I have helped people earn bachelor's degrees as quickly as 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 12 months. It's really, really fast. Of course, these schools don't want you to come in and graduate in 3 months or 6 months. They just don't want you to, because that's less money for them. We are their customers. The longer we stick around, the more money they make, right? So you have to take a little bit of a different approach. Traditional system, we already talked about, textbooks and lectures and homework and all of the things we hate. Skip those, figure out what you need to learn, and then go and learn it using modern tools. You can go to AI and ask tools like ChatGPT, how do I multiply and divide fractions? Something that you'd need to learn for an algebra class. You can go to YouTube and search things like, where do earthquakes come from? How do earthquakes start? And what are different types of earthquakes? You can watch a 5-minute video that teaches you, instead of a science class having 3 chapters that you have to read through. You can go learn using modern tools. That's the catch here. Now, a lot of people, when I talk about accelerating degrees this quickly, people sometimes will say things like, there's no way. I earned my degree and it took me 5 years to do a bachelor's degree, and there's no way you can learn what I learned in less time. There's just no way. Well, that is absolutely false. And I want you to think about something. I call this the bar exam paradox. The bar exam is an exam that you have to pass to become a lawyer. Well, the bar exam is like the hardest exam on the entire planet. Most people who pass the bar exam say that the bar exam was harder than their entire master's degree. The crazy thing is, a master's degree on average takes 2.5 to 3 years. But the bar exam, the average student studies for the bar exam for 8 to 12 weeks. So how is that possible that you can learn more and learn harder material in 8 to 12 weeks than what you did throughout your whole master's degree? It doesn't make sense, right? Well, here's the thing. The difference is the people studying for the bar exam, they knew exactly what they had to learn and what they had to study. And if you know what you need to learn and you know what you need to study, learning is easy. It's this mystery box system that schools use, and they've used for generations and generations, where you don't know what you're going to learn next, and the teacher's going to introduce it to you in a lecture. If you figure out what you need to learn, you can learn it really, really quickly. Associate's degrees, if you just go to Google and use Google's AI overview, associate's degree on average is going to get you 18% increase in earnings. But if you go do the same search for bachelor's degrees, you find out that the pay increase is 66 to 85%. So the pay increase from a high school diploma to an associate's degree is 18%. Not a ton. It's big enough that it's worth it. We want to make more money, right? But from an associate's degree to a bachelor's degree is a lot steeper. So my encouragement to you, just earn your associate's credits inside of your bachelor's degree and go get a full bachelor's degree. That is skipping the associate's degree, and you can get the bachelor's degree almost just as quickly. I know it sounds crazy, but it's absolutely true. Now, if you want to learn more about this process, I call it degree hacking. If you want to learn more about it, I'm going to leave links to videos down below where you can learn more. I've got a 3-step process tutorial, and I have a program where I help people do this all the time. So use that down below if you're interested in learning more. Have a wonderful day. Like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you in the next video.